A nanofacial is one of the most popular treatments because it gives your clients glowing skin with no downtime. Let's discuss a tool that lets us perform the in-demand treatment using the Skintelligent Pen. The Skintelligent Pen has a stylus with an on and off switch that is controlled by holding the button down for 3 seconds. The nano cartridge is a single-use sealed package. The date is stamped on the package to authenticate its sterility. Looking microscopically, you will see tiny projectile pyramids on the chip itself. The stylus has an adjustment to alter the chip depth from 0.25 millimeters to 2.5 millimeters. The speed of the pen is adjustable from a level 1 to a level of 6. To increase the speed at which the needles move up and down, press the on and off switch. The pen can be used with either an electrical cord or a rechargeable battery. The battery is good for a 4-hour charge. Your mayo stand setup is important. You will need a bowl for cleansing, a cleanser, a toner, sponges, hyaluronic acid as a glide solution, SPF as a post-treatment application, and a disposable bag. Prepare your pen by attaching the nano cartridge. Open the cartridge in front of your client so they can see you're using a single-use package and a sterile tip for their treatment. Set up your nano tip depth so the tip is flush with the cartridge. So as you are adjusting the depth of your nano chip, you want to make sure that your chip is flush to the cartridge. So as you can see, it is off right now, so you want to kind of play around with your settings, turn it on, turn it off, and then as it turns off, you should see that nano chip right flushed against the top. Have your client turn their head to the side. Begin near the ear. Mentally segment the face into small sections. Apply a thin layer of hyaluronic acid to the first section of skin. Use moderate pressure. Glide the pen across the skin slowly. Start a second line by snaking the pen back and forth next to your point of origin. Continue in the snaking pattern covering the entire first section. Lift the pen off the skin in a perpendicular motion, straight up off the skin, not in a sweeping motion like a microdermabrasion. Your pressure should not be resting on top of the skin, nor should it be firm or digging into the skin. The second pass should begin at a 90-degree angle to the first pass, again performing a snaking pattern across the segment. Reapply hyaluronic acid for glide if necessary. The third pass should be completed in a diagonal with tiny small circles. Make sure your speed is slow to provide many small microchannels to allow product penetration. Continue in that fashion, doing small segments covering the entire face. You should reach a clinical endpoint of even erythema. Some areas of the face require special care through a technique called stamping. Stamp sensitive areas such as the nose, under the eyes, and the upper lip. When the entire face has been treated, review your work and go ahead and detail any areas that need additional treatment to bring the skin to an even erythema or to focus on an area of concern, for example, upper lip fine lines, crow's feet, or acne scars. Rub the excess hyaluronic acid into your client's skin lightly. Apply SPF. Your client can return in 3 to 4 weeks for another treatment. A nanofacial is a wonderful way to introduce peptides, growth factors, and antioxidants to your client's skin. Be sure to get before and after photos. Put the nano cartridge in the disposal bag. Remove the linen and put them in the covered soiled linen container. With gloved hands, use a cavi wipe to disinfect the handpiece. Wipe down the facial bed with a cavi wipe as well. Plug in your pen's battery to charge it. Take your regular disposal bag and put it in a covered trash container.